So it's not really that deep. You can have natural hair and still wear your wig caps and it's fine. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are well. I hope you are doing amazing. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Carol. My channel is all about natural hair and a little bit of lifestyle. So for today's video, I wanted to discuss something with you guys. There's something that has been bugging me and I want to find out if I'm the only person experiencing this or there are people out there who have the same issues. Anyway, so my issue is my wig caps no longer fit me. Now, I know that it doesn't really sound like a big deal, but for someone with natural hair, these are like serious problems for me. I don't know if you guys remember this, but a few years ago, it became kind of an issue that if you have natural hair, you should stay away from wig caps. People didn't really understand that the natural hair community wasn't some kind of religion or cult where we have strict rules that if you decided to go natural, then you should stay away from all things wig caps and looking pretty and makeup and all of that. And for me, basically, wearing a wig cap is the same as wearing a scarf, because as far as I'm concerned, they both cover my hair. I can still go out and look presentable, and they both they do not damage my hair in any way at all. So it's not really that deep. You can have natural hair and still wear your wig caps and it's fine. But anyway, I digress. My issue is not with the fact that people used to or people still have issues with naturals wearing wig caps. My issue is with the fact that the wig caps that are currently on the market no longer fit me. So I bought a wig cap some time ago, and then I noticed that it was a little too tight. But I just assumed it was a smaller cup. I didn't want to go back to the shop, and then I let that be. And then a few days ago, I bought another wig cap from a completely different shop, and then this one doesn't even fit me at all. In fact, I got so annoyed that what I did was I removed everything. I spent the whole day removing everything from the cap, and then the plan is to go and give this to someone else to turn into a wig cap for me. But it got me thinking that something has changed. Like, something has changed in how they make these wig caps, and that it's not just me exaggerating. I spent the whole of this weekend going through my wigs. I analyzed my wigs. I spent the weekend analyzing my wigs to see what the issues were. So this is the net that the shops are currently using to make the wigs. It has the elastic at the very end, and then you're supposed to wear it when you buy. So I found another wig that I have that is made out of this type of net. But the difference is that this is a frontal. Now the frontal covers this much area, which is about this much area of my head, meaning that the net only has this small area to fit. So that is probably why this hair fits. I don't have any issues with this wig. It fits me beautifully. My hair can breathe easy. So I've come to realize that if this type of net is made into a closure, it will not fit me. If it's made into a frontal, it might fit me, but I need to go to the shop and buy it, try it on, and make sure that it fits my head properly. Make sure that they have sometimes they put this elastic on it. Make sure that the wig has this type of elastic. Then it would fit me. So frontal, it would fit. Closure, it will not. So I found this other wig cap that fits me very well. Now this is, the material is like some type of spandex material. It's very stretchy. It's one of my favorite wigs. It doesn't matter if my real hair is in chunky braids or I have them in 4 sections. It fits under this cup. So this is actually a closure, meaning that if the wig is a closure and it's made with this type of spandex material and it has the elastic, it would fit. Last but not the least, my most favorite kind of wig caps are the ones made out of this type of material. I don't know why people stopped using this, but I'm guessing it's because your nails tend to go through it and then it breaks. Maybe that's why people have stopped using this and are going for the more durable nets. Now, before you even ask, of course, I have tried really small cornrows. It's not because my braids or my sections are too big. It's because my hair is getting too long, and it doesn't matter how small I braid it, it's still a lot of hair. And so I need cups that are a bit more comfortable, something that can fit my whole head and still make my wigs look like it's still my hair. So as naturals, these are some of the things that we even have to think about on a daily basis. Now, if I'm buying my wig caps, I'm going to be mindful of the kind of nets that the wigs are made out of. If it's made out of this type of net material, I know that it will not fit me in the long run. I know that this type of net is best for me. So from today, every wig that I buy, I'm going to insist that they make it out of this type of material. So if you guys have experienced anything similar to this, let me know in the comment section, or this is all just me being a little extra. I don't know. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.